Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio settings on your Counter-Strike 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Counter-Strike 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From this page, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner and you will end up within the settings page. Now from this page, tap on audio at the top section, and now you will be able to modify various different audio options. You can change your master volume, choose your audio device, as well as choose the equalizer profile. You can also isolate left and right speakers to get a better understanding of which side a particular sound is coming from. Look through the various different options that are available for your audio controls and read carefully about what each option does. After choosing all of your preferred settings, you can simply go back to your game and your settings will be saved. You can now start playing your game, and your chosen audio settings will be applied within your match right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio settings on the Counter-Strike 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.